Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make an account on Gumroad. First, navigate to the Gumroad website. Look for the prominent Start Selling button, usually found on the home page. Click this button to begin. You will then be prompted to enter your email address and create a strong, unique password for your new account. This initial step is quick and straightforward, setting the foundation for your online store. After creating your login, you'll set up your basic profile. Pick a memorable username that represents your brand or content. Next, specify your country and preferred currency. Gumroad supports over 140 currencies. Finally, review and accept Gumroad's terms of service and privacy policy to proceed. These steps ensure your account is properly configured for selling. To receive your earnings, you need to set up your payout method. You can link a PayPal account or directly connect your bank account. Gumroad typically processes payouts weekly, every Friday. Be sure to provide accurate tax information, such as your tax identification number, to comply with regulations. In some cases, identity verification might be required to secure your account. With your account ready, it's time to personalize your storefront. Give your store a catchy name and write a compelling description that tells customers about your offerings. Upload a professional profile picture and an engaging cover image to enhance your brand's visual appeal. Now, you are all set to create and list your very first digital or physical product for sale.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.